I'm here with my CWC Cook with Color Mini Toaster Oven. Let's see how well it cooks a frozen burrito. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. This is a Red's Organic Bean and Cheese Burrito. I got this on sale at a local organic market yesterday, and I thought I would see how well it cooks in this CWC Cook with Color Toaster Oven. The instructions for a conventional oven are: remove burrito from wrapper, thaw by covering with a microwave safe plate, and microwave on high for 1 minute. So that's wrong because these are supposed to be the instructions for a conventional oven. Then it says, place on spray-coated baking sheet and cook at 375 until internal temperature reaches 165, approximately 12 minutes. Flip halfway through cooking. Now you could also use an air fryer. Remove burrito from wrapper, place in air fryer, cook at 330 for 17 minutes. And then with the microwave, remove from a wrapper, place on a microwave safe plate and cover with the microwave safe plate or lid. Cook until internal temperature reaches 165. So yeah, we're going to use the instructions for the conventional oven. I'm not using a microwave. I don't have a microwave. I don't use a microwave. That's one of the reasons why I cook with mini appliances. I don't use a microwave. Here's the burrito. I'm going to grab some foil. I folded the foil up and I'm just going to put the foil on this rack. And I'm going to put the burrito on the foil. And I'm going to shut this. And this has not been preheated, so hopefully as the toaster oven comes up to temperature, then it will help to defrost the burrito at the same time. So I'm going to set this for about 10 minutes, a little bit more than 10 minutes. And then I'll come back after 10 minutes, I'll flip the burrito and cook it for another 10 minutes. It's been almost 10 minutes now. It's probably been like 8 minutes, and it looks like the top is burning. Can you see that? Because I could smell it. See how dark that got on the top? And I think it's stuck to the foil. Yeah, it's stuck to the foil. Not a good idea. This is really hot. Maybe it would have been better to use the tray, because by using the tray it would have been a little bit lower. It would not be as high as this is now. I just moved the burrito to the tray, still upside down, and I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes on this side now. The toaster oven is set to 450, but the actual temperature is closer to 350. The toaster oven just went off, so it means we've cooked about 10 minutes on the one side and another 10 minutes on the other side. And by using the tray on the bottom, the top of the burrito, the side that's facing up right now, is not burnt or anything. So it's definitely better to use the tray than the rack. So here's the burrito. And I am able to put a fork all the way through it. So that means that the inside should not be frozen. Let's cut it with a knife and see what's going on inside. It's very hot where I'm touching it. Here's the inside of the burrito. It feels warm, it's not cold. This actually came out really nice. I put it down because it's so hot. It needs to cool off a little bit. But the outside tortilla is really crispy. It reminds me like of a crispy egg roll. And then you have like the warm beans and cheese inside. It's just really good. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit and then I'm gonna enjoy this. The inside is like the perfect temperature. It's not cold, but it's not too hot. And the outside just needs to cool off a little bit more. So that's how easy it is to heat up a frozen burrito in this CWC Cook with Color Mini Toaster Oven. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini toaster oven. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.